Good morning, students. Today's homework is to make sentences using the new words. Today you have a list of quite a few words that Nakul Bhaiya has already taught you in science, but I want you to be able to make sentences using them. This is your first word, shape. Water takes the shape of whatever container it is put in. Shape, container. Flow. Water flows from top to bottom. Water is moving. When water is moving, it is known as flowing. Slope. Water runs down a slope. ऊपर से नीचे जब पानी आता है तब ऊपर से नीचे जहां पर होता है इसको हम स्लोप कहते हैं. Water moves down a slope. Water spreads if it is not in a container. Water will spread. If it comes from the sky and if it is put into the earth, it will not collect by itself, it will spread. Water will seep, S-E-E-P, seep through the earth. When water falls from above, it goes into the water and it goes into the soil and it spreads. This is called seeping. Watch how it moves from particle to particle. Wherever there is space, it will find that space and it will try to spread. Water will trickle down. In the forest, when it rains, water will find a place where it can come together into a trickle and it will trickle down. A forest is like this. Trickle means moving down in a very thin stream. Into, water goes into the earth. Water flows under the earth. Water falls over the mountains and goes under the ground. Water rests above a rock bed in a container. Water seeps below the earth. Water spreads across the land. अगर कोई भी धरती का shape हो, उसके all the way across, the water is going to spread. It does not matter if this is high or this is low. If there is a lot of water coming from above, it will spread across. Water spreads through the soil. Soil में हमने जैसे देखा छोटे छोटे particles के बीच में जो space रहता है उसके बीच में से water नीचे चले आता है. Water hides underground. Water hides underground. We dig wells to access water. We dig wells to get water. A well taps into the water table. Water table मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर से जब बारिश आता है नीचे से, alright, ऊपर से नीचे the rain is going to come and then the rain will gather underground. जमीन के नीचे पानी gather हो जाता है, collect हो जाता है. इस पानी को हम water table कहते हैं. A well will tap into the water table. Well जब हम खोदते हैं, whenever we dig a well, it will go into the water table and take water from the water table. So a well taps into the water table. We collect or harvest rainwater. When rainwater comes, we will collect it through gutters and pipes and put it in a tank underneath our house. This water that we collect is harvested rainwater. We store water. जब हम पानी collect करते हैं ऐसे, तो उसको सिर्फ जमीन के नीचे नहीं रखते हैं. Whenever we have to use water, we store it. Now, how do we store it? In buckets and jugs and open tanks, but also in bottles and containers and cans and canisters. These are storage containers. We store water. जब हम पानी को store करते हैं तब उसको storage कहते हैं. Rain, you all know, looks like this. Rain falls from the sky. Rain falls from the sky in a forest. Forest में जब बारिश होती है तब rain ऐसे collect होता है. Remember, when water runs down a slope, it will collect at the bottom and then from there it will move. So water that has gathered and that is flowing. Gather हुआ है, ऐसे ये हमारा forest का जमीन है. Okay, यहाँ से पानी नीचे आया, यहाँ से पानी नीचे आया, यहाँ पे gather हुआ और यहाँ से और नीचे जाने वाला है. So when this water moves down, it is called flowing water. But when this water is in a forest, then it is called a stream. A stream is there in a forest. Now there are two kinds of water bodies in which water rests. It is either a lake, which is very big, or it is a pond, which can be any size. A lake is very big and very deep. A pond is only this big and only this deep. Now, when we are filtering water, जब हम पानी collect करते हैं rain water harvesting में, हम directly उसको जमीन में नहीं डालते, हम पहले उसको filter करते हैं. Filter करने के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? A rock bed. We use a rock bed to filter water. Lastly, हम सबको समुद्र, इसके दो types रहते हैं, ये तो पता नहीं था. So there are two kinds of samudra. There is one that is a sea, जो जमीन के पास रहता है, जो land के पास रहता है, जैसे कि right now India is here and this is a sea. This is the ocean because it does not have land that is holding it in. Land अगर उसको ऐसे collect करके रखा है तो फिर उसको हम sea कहते हैं. अगर इतना बड़ा है, lake से भी बड़ा, तो उसको हम sea कहते हैं. पर अगर किसी water body से वो attach ही नहीं है, बस lots and lots of water अगर होगा तो उसको हम ocean कहते हैं. Lastly, dam हम river पे build करते हैं. We build dams across rivers, not on the river but across the river, so that we can stop the flow of water. है ना? Lastly, wells and water bodies are shared facilities. We must share the water that we collect. Alright, these are all of your new words. You are going to use them in sentences. And once you are done using them in sentences, you have two options per usual. You can either write them down in your notebook, write down all of these words in sentences, all of the sentences that you have made, उनका एक picture लेकर मुझे आप भेज सकते हो. Otherwise, you can send me a video of you talking about water and you have to use all of these words in them. Okay, you have two options, either a video or you write in your notebook. Have fun!